Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy to see you. Today's lesson is all about sentences. And if you think, oh, I don't know French sentences, you are in the right place because we're all learning today about la phrase. Phrase means the sentence. Before we begin, let's say bonjour to Ananas so she can help us along. Can you say that in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Ananas. Oh, wow. Bienvenue, Ananas. She's saying bonjour to you. Are you having a good day? Oui, ça va bien. Oui, c'est bien. Alors, on va commencer, les amis, par choisir une couleur. Alors, répétez après moi. Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Did you want to pick the color? Tu veux choisir la couleur aujourd'hui? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est? Orange, d'accord, c'est orange aujourd'hui. So you are watching French with Anana, and this is lesson 5.14, U sound. Leçon 5.14, son U. Alors on commence, mes amis. On va commencer. Oh, wow. Do you remember the name of this object? If you said ceinture, good remembering. Ceinture. Now, when we write a sentence, we need to add some words. So that's what a sentence is. It's a bunch or a group of words together that mean something. They make a message. So Madame has added two words at the beginning of this sentence. Now, there's my sentence and there's the beginning, the start of the sentence. In French, the word for sentence is phrase, and the beginning is le début. So these are my two words au début. Can you repeat after me? Je vois. Je vois. Now, do you know what je vois means? Je vois means I see. I see. Now, to be able to continue my sentence, I need to know what the gender of the thing I'm talking about is. So every word, everything in the French language has a gender. It's either masculine or feminine. So how do we know if ceinture is masculine or feminine? We look over here, the little word before it, and if there's an e at the end, it is feminine. So that's une. And une tells us that ceinture is a feminine word. Une ceinture. Now, does that mean the belt is a girl? No, it just means the word for belt, ceinture, is feminine. Une ceinture. Can you say that? Une ceinture. Now, let's try saying the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Je vois une ceinture. Encore. Encore means again. Je vois une ceinture. Yay! Now, do you know what the sentence means? I see a belt. Bravo. Good job. Oh, regarde. Do you remember the name for the peel? Pelure. Can you say that? Pelure. Oui. Now, can you tell me, is pelure masculine or feminine? Let's go find out. Oh, there's an E and it's une pelure. So that is feminine. Une pelure. Oui, bravo. Now, the first word is a little different than the first one. In our other picture, this is tu. So tu vois. What do you think that means? Tu vois. Do you remember? It means you see. So let's say the whole thing together. Tu vois une pelure. Encore. Tu vois une pelure. Yay! Now, do you know what this sentence means? You see a peel. Bravo! Wow, you're doing a great job. Oh, wow. Anna, do you remember the French word for wall? Oui, mur. Can you say that? Mur. Now, can you tell me, is mur a masculine or a feminine word? We check over here. Il n'y a pas de E. So this little word, un, is masculine. That means our word mur is masculine. Un mur. Can you say that again? Un mur. Bravo. Now let's say the whole thing. Toute la phrase. Il voit un mur. Il voit un mur. Now, I also changed this one again. Do you remember what il means? Il means he. So, he sees a wall. Whee! Bravo! Good job. Oh, do you remember the word for very, very stinky, smelly, yucky garbage? It's called ordure. Ooh, ordure. Oui. And because ordure, it's not just one thing, it's a bunch of, like a big bag of garbage. We're going to say des ordures. Des ordures. If you only had one, it would be une ordure and it would be feminine. But in this case, we have a huge bunch. So we're going to say elle voit des ordures. Can you say that again with me? Elle voit des ordures. Now, I have changed the beginning word to elle. Do you remember what elle means? Elle means she. She sees garbage. Bravo, les amis. Bravo. Ooh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ananas, do you remember this? Oui, oui. Shoes is chaussure. Chaussure. Oui. And if we say toute la phrase, we say nous voyons des chaussures. Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Oui. Oh, Ananas would like to know, what if you only had one shoe? If you had just une chaussure, then we would have to figure out, is chaussure masculin ou féminin? On regarde ici and we see, il y a un E. So it's une. Une chaussure. Can you say that again? Une chaussure. It is feminine. Féminin. Now, does it mean the shoes are girls? No, it just means the word chaussure is feminine. Une chaussure. Now let's say the whole thing together. Toute la phrase. Nous voyons une chaussure. Encore. Nous voyons une chaussure. And I have changed the beginning again. Madame's being very tricky today. So nous means we. So we see a shoe. Yay! Bravo! Oh wow, that was a good job. Oh, Ananas, regarde, une question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, dans mon sac. Oh, je vais aller chercher mon sac. J'ai mon sac ici, mon sac. Alors, je vais regarder dans le sac. Alors, Ananas, on va regarder, mets ta main dans le sac. On va regarder dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'on a dans le sac? Oh, 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 un ami! Oh, it's a friend, un ami d'Ananas. Oh, c'est ourson. Oh, regarde avec un cœur rouge. Wow. My friends, did you have a lot of fun learning about sentences? Oui, ananas, ourson. Did you have fun? Oui, oui, c'est bien. So, my friends, how do we say goodbye? Do you remember? We say au revoir, ourson. There he goes. Au revoir. Au revoir, ananas. Au revoir, madame. And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis.